welcome to the Scrum Buddy. We are going to start off by going to our sign up page where we can go ahead and add a test class with the username tester. Last name is going to be class. There we go. Add a password. We're going to confirm our password, and we can see that if we put in a different password, there will be an error there. And then we need to add our email, which is going to be team@email.com. So now that we sign up, we see our little dashboard screen, and I'm going to log out and go into a already set up account. And then if we try to log in, that is an incorrect username or password. So now that we go ahead back and correct our password, we now see this dashboard screen with Michael's information. So now we are going to go ahead and add a new project, which we're going to call the test project. And we need to select a category. We will say this is a develop or an education category. And we create it, and now that is added to our projects. So now we're going to go ahead and go into this project by clicking on it. We can see that we have the 3 columns of to do, doing, and done, along with the number of tasks right here, along with each task that is go ahead and in a column already. So now we're going to add a column, and we're going to call this the test column. And now that is added off to the right of the other columns. So now if we try to add a task, we need to see that we need to select a column first. Now that we select this column, we're going to add a task, and we're going to call this the test task. We need to select a priority with that as well, and if we don't, we see that we need to enter a priority. If we enter a letter like P or something like that, we see that we need to add a value of number 1 through 5, so we're going to set this as a 3. So now that we have all of that, we can go ahead and go into the task, and now we see that we're viewing the task of test task in whatever column it is and the priority. So now we can delete this task. We can go back and delete a column, but since we have no columns selected, we must select the test column and then delete that. We can go ahead and delete this doing column, and along with that, it'll also delete all of the tasks that are inside of that. So now I'm going to go ahead and show that this program does save all the changes that were made. We are going to log out and then log back into that same account. And we can see that we still have this test project from before, along with going into Michael's projects. We see that this doing column is done along with the column that I've added, and all of those are now gone. Thank you.